Welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a quick review of HAILUO AI. HAILUO AI is a versatile artificial intelligence platform created by Minimax, which is a leading AI company from China. It is built to help users of all skill levels quickly produce creative content like videos, music, and summaries using advanced AI technology. What really sets it apart is the ability to generate short cinematic videos from simple text or images, making video creation accessible to everyone, even if you have no editing experience. For example, I just typed in the prompt. I wrote "black lady holding her beautiful baby." I generated this video, as you can see. Very nice. So, beyond video generation, it also offers a range of innovative tools, including music composition, thematic enhancement, image animation, and voice interaction. These features work together to streamline tasks and boost productivity, whether you're a content creator, marketer, student, or business professional. So let's look at the pros and the cons of using HAILUO AI. Like I've said, one of the advantages is the quick text to video. Within a few minutes, to transform your words into short animated video clips. And you can also add reference images to guide the style and visuals. So, we also have music generation about the music side. Just a, just a few clicks, you can compose an original music reel and even create lyrics based on the mood and style you selected. This is for audio. So, I'll give you a few seconds. The music, the tunes you create will be perfect and catchy, but they're straightforward. So it's just perfect for background tracks or quick creative inspiration. They are definitely not going to replace a professional composer, but for quick projects or social media content, they are handy bonus that adds another layer to the creative process. So you start typing to create lifelike audio in multiple languages, voice, and emotions. You can tell a story, you can create a commercial, build an AI tool. This is for the music. For example, you can put falling in love, guitar, instrument, and magic song about nostalgia. So let us see. There won't be time to actually do this, or be a bit too long, but you can try it. I'll just type in what you want. And then you have to provide more details. I don't have time for this, so unfortunately, a long video already. It's taking too long. So for forward interaction, it has some maintenance. We'll look at the plans and other stuff in the next one. Oh yeah, I'll talk about the pros and the cons. Let's quickly go to the pros and the cons. For the pros, it has speed and simplicity. With visual quality is really great. Multimodal inputs, like I said earlier, voice, video, so many music. There's no sign-up barrier. It's affordable. You can just sign in with your Google account. Yes, it has mobile and desktop support. But here are the cons. The video lengths are really short, and you have limited customization, no full HD by default, and the interface defaults to Chinese sometimes. The mid generation is just basic. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful.